Welcome to the Wong Reviewer. My name is Will, where I do tech unboxing, tech reviews, and tech tutorials. And today's episode, I am shooting this outside. It is 0 degrees Celsius, which is perfect weather for doing an unboxing and review of the G-Tech hand warming pouch. So this is a battery operated pouch with a heating element inside that will heat up this pouch. And so I thought this would be a perfect time to test how well this product does. In today's video, we're gonna do a quick unboxing. I'm gonna show you how to set it up, and then we're gonna do a test to see how well this performs in cold weather. So right now it is just about 0 degrees. I'm gonna place the thermometer inside the pouch, and we're gonna test all 3 settings to see how well it warms up the pouch in 0 degree weather. If you find this video helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up, like the video, and consider subscribing to my channel for similar content. Here's the box. I open it up. If I move it down, defeat the cold, especially in Winnipeg, where it gets down to minus 40 degrees Celsius in the winter. Here's the hand warming pouch. Here's the strap that goes around your waist. Here is the battery holder. You put the battery in here. The on-off switch with the G-Tech logo. Inside is fleece material, and the bar that you hold on to that actually heats it up is made of fleece as well. So what you would do is you would just hang on to it to heat up, and it's supposed to keep your hands warm. So there's a bit of an elastic here to kind of keep the cold air out and the warm air in. I would like to see if they had some kind of drawstring or it's a little bit tighter. If I put my hand in here, you can see there's a bit of a gap between both openings. So I'd be interested to see how well it actually heats my arm with that gap. Okay. But overall, the fit and finish feels nice. The material feels like it's a bit water resistant. Okay, so I'm gonna take that out. You know, it says thank you. Every dollar from every G-Tech product sold goes to support causes we are passionate about within our community. So it's nice that this company also gives back to the community. Open it up. Here is the instruction booklet. Kind of tells you how to charge it and how to set it up. So here it is. So advanced fabric technology, rechargeable battery goes in the pocket, water resistant, thermogrip, which is that bar in the middle, instruction and LED with 3 heat settings. Okay, this is a battery. It's actually a bit heavy. Has a silicone case around it. AC wall adapter, the cable to charge it. So what we do now is charge up the battery, and then we'll attach it to the pouch to see how warm it gets, and we'll check it outside. All right, so it's been a few hours now. It's about 3 hours, and the battery is now fully charged from G-Tech. You can tell it's fully charged when the light is green, as it is in this case. So I'm going to plug it. Now that the battery is fully charged, I'm going to install it into the heat pouch. On the top, right above the symbol, there's a zipper. I'm going to zip it. Shows a fleece liner inside. It's nice and warm. And then, if you flip it a little bit, there's another pocket on the inside with the zipper. So I'm going to unzip it. And there is a power cable to plug in your power bank. So I'm going to plug the battery in. And then I'm going to put it in the pocket here. And that's it. Close it up. And now it is ready to be turned on. So I'm going to record how long it takes to heat up. So again, on the inside, there's this blue bar, I'll just call it a bar, that you hold on to that actually produces heat. So you should grip it and hold it onto it like this. I'm going to take my phone. I'm going to time how long it takes to actually warm up. So to turn it on the first time, you have to hold down the G logo for 3 seconds to power it up, and then we'll hit start. Turns red, which is the highest setting. I'm going to put my hand in, and I'm going to see how long it takes to fully warm up. So I say it's actually really hot right now. I say about a minute. So in about a minute, it fully heats up to the highest setting. It's actually still getting hotter right now. Okay, we'll give it a few more seconds. If I want to turn it off, I just hold down for 3 seconds, and then it turns off. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this out and use it in a real world example. I'm going to do some photography and droning. It's the fall here in Winnipeg, and it's about averaging 5 degrees Celsius. And so what I'm going to do now is I am going to take this out, and we'll try it as a real world example to see how well it works. Okay, now we're going to test to see how warm this actually gets in 0 degree weather. I'm going to take the thermometer. Remember, it was about 0 degrees Celsius. I'm going to throw the thermometer in here. It's on high. You can tell by the logo here, it is red. I'm going to stick my hands in here to simulate real experience. And then we'll give it 5 minutes, and then I'll get back to you to see how warm it actually gets. So it's been about 3 minutes now that I turned this on to high. I have my hands in here the whole time, and we're going to take a look at the temperature reading. So the temperature reading is 30 degrees Celsius, which is about 85. So you can see it reached about 30 degrees Celsius in the pouch on the highest setting. So that is fantastic that even in 0 degrees Celsius right now, this reaches 30 degrees Celsius. So it's up by 30 degrees, and that's awesome. So that means this has kept my hand really warm. The one thing I did notice about this as well is because there's a bit of a wind chill right now coming through, the fabric that you have here actually protects your hands and blocks some of the wind that's coming through. Like right now, as I can feel the wind going through my hands and kind of chilling my hands, but this fabric here actually does kind of prevent some of that wind coming through as well, which helps kind of keep the heat inside, and that's awesome. So now what I wanted to quickly show you is how well this fits. It's adjustable waist strap. You can pull it in and out and cinch it. It's tight. I keep mine a little bit loose. I'm wearing our Turks downfill jacket right now, and you can see that it fits around well. I don't have the slimmest of bodies by any means, so there's still a bit of give, which is kind of nice. So it fits all types of body type. And it's warm. One of the things I really like about this is, especially when I'm doing photography, I can't use mitts, obviously, to control my button dials or even the touchscreen on my Adams Ninja 5. And so I have to use my hands. And with mitts, and as soon as you take off your mitts, the cold air gets right into it. And when you put on your mitts, it's cold because the cold air is trapped inside the mitt, and then it takes probably 5 minutes for it to completely warm up before your hands actually get warm. And that's a pet peeve of mine when I keep taking on and off my mitts when I'm doing photography and videography in cold weather. And having this pouch is great because my hands have been out, as I'm talking and doing the demo. And as soon as I put my hands back in here and I hold that central bar, my hands warm up right away. It doesn't take 4 or 5 minutes to heat up. As soon as I touch it right now, and it is warm. All right, so that concludes my video on the G-Tech hand warming pouch. I would definitely recommend this product if you're someone who works outdoors and it's cold weather and you need access to your hands and to do things with it without mitts or gloves. This is the best product for you. Also, if you have a family member like I do that has raynauds, that has, cold circulation in their hands and that it's painful and they can't do anything, again, this is another great product to use. I'll leave a link in the description below if you would like to purchase this product. I was not sponsored by them at all. I paid for this out of my own pocket, and I'm doing this review because I enjoy this product so much. All right, if you have any questions or comments, please leave it down below. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time.